What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to add and invite friends on Roblox Mobile. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open Roblox Mobile and navigate to the More tab. Here, tap on Friends. This will allow you to preview all of your current friends. Tap on the search icon and make sure to enter the username of the person you wish to add. From here, you can add the user or tap on the avatar to preview their profile. Tap on Add Friend to add this user and send a friend request, or directly message the user from here. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.